easy. Easy way. facilement, بسهولة. Talk, read, write in English. Parle, lire et écrire en anglais. تحدث واقرأ واكتب بالإنجليزية. So fast, si rapidement. وبسرعة. Learn with easy is the best way to learn. So, be with us and subscribe.
The 4 trees. Once upon a time, in a land not too far away, 4 trees started to grow on top of a small hill. Three of the trees are very selfish, arrogant, and proud trees, always boasting how big and tall they will become, teasing each other how they will live forever. The 4th tree is all happy and content just to be a tree. As time passes, the 3 proud and selfish trees spend all their days growing as tall and impressive as they can, boasting each and every day how wonderful they will be. The 4th tree listens, but it's all happy and content just to be a tree.